And raw. Welcome to the new Caveman Show. Today, I'm going to unbox the new iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. I'll be describing what it looks like in real life and compare it to my iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. And lastly, compare the three form factors of the iPhone 12. Alright, without further ado, let's kick off the unboxing. So likewise, the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes in a much thinner case than previous year. Peeling off the plastic wrapper, so just to mention, the box is in black, which is true for all the Pro models. Lifting off the case, and here we go. Oh, this actually looks much nicer than the pictures. I'm trying to show you the different angles. Look at the golden mirror finish on the side and the matte blush creamy color on the back. So without a charging brick and earpods this year, all we have is this USB-C to Lightning cable. And let's look at all the paperwork, the SIM card pin, the stickers. Pretty much useless. Useless but iconic. So as mentioned earlier, I think the back is of a very pale creamy color. Let's peel off the paper sticker and power it on. Well, this phone is very big and I'm getting tired trying to get a grip on the phone. So I've gone through the initial setup now. Let's look at it in detail. It's pretty heavy. The sides are of a very light champagne finish, which is actually quite different from the photos on the press materials. The back, like I mentioned, is sort of creamy, and when the light hits it straight on, it looks pretty white, but it's still of a golden. Now let's swipe up to play with the phone proper. Not sure if you can tell, but I'm struggling to navigate the phone with single-handedly. So I'm trying to reach the top, I'm trying to reach the bottom, I'm trying to reach the sides. You have to use the phone with two hands. There's no way you can do it single-handedly. See, I'm pressing everything wrongly. So now let's turn on the messaging app. Let me try typing with just a hand. It's still doable. You will just have to stretch all the way to the sides. It's difficult to type while keeping the center of gravity and balancing the phone. I guess I can still type, and you just have to rely on the autocorrect whenever your thumb is struggling to reach the correct letters. Now let's turn on a random site. There is a lot of screen real estate, and it looks very immersive to be surfing on this. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max supposedly has the best camera and a larger sensor than the other models. So let me try taking a picture in complete darkness. What do you think? A picture in complete darkness, is that acceptable to you? I think it's pretty good. But no one should be taking photos like that anyway. Just a fun comparison of the 12 Pro Max and the 12 Mini surfing on the same website. I'm not sure is it due to the scaling, but somehow they look pretty much similar despite the huge difference in the screen size. Another comparison of the sizes with the 12 mini on the left, the normal 12 Pro in the center, and the 12 Pro Max on the right. So let's take a closer look at the 12 Pro Max in gold. So when the light hits it straight on, it really looks pretty white, although it's of a light cream color. It is pretty huge. I'm trying very hard to get a grip. The sides are of a very nice light champagne finish. All in all, I think I do like this color much better than the pictures. And this is my staple 12 Pro in Pacific Blue, which is sort of maybe the flagship color this year. It's beautiful, definitely. It's my color of choice. It looks sophisticated, but the goal is not too far off. And lastly, the iPhone 12 mini in blue, which the photos look nicer than real life because this kind of look a little bit kiddish. It really looks like ink from my ballpoint pen. So it doesn't look as luxurious as the other two colors, but it's still nice. Now let's take a closer comparison between the Pacific Blue and the Gold. Both are very nice colors, and I would guess maybe ladies would prefer the golden one and guys would prefer the Pacific Blue. That's just me. Just a quick look at the 3 screen sizes on Yahoo website. What do you think? So just my opinion, the gold color is much better than pressed materials. Definitely, you should look at it in real life. It's really much nicer. As for the size of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's way too big for me. It's is a deal breaker. I can't hold it in my hands properly. I can't type on it properly. So, as much as the screen is immersive and beautiful, this is too much for me. It's not for everyone, but for people who think that bigger is better, this is the best. So, what do you think? Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye bye.